In today's show, this billionaire Bitcoin investor gives 3 catalysts, which I'm going to break down for you in today's show, that can send the BTC price flying. And we're talking about none other than former Wall Street Goldman Sachs partner Mike Novogratz, who just recently sat down with Bloomberg, sharing why he's so bullish on the leading cryptocurrency. So we'll break this down in today's show. Also in today's episode, I'm going to share with you 10 factors confirming a new crypto bull market has begun. And also we'll be taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market. As you can see, BTC finally taking a step back. Where's the Bitcoin price likely to go from here? Find out all this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day. So be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before we kick off today's episode, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money, to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, smash the link right below the video in the description. All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. Let's dive right in. I'm your host, JV. Now, this Bitcoin billionaire investor gives 3 catalysts that can send the BTC price flying. Bitcoin has undoubtedly been in a tear over the past 45 days or so. Since hitting 6,400 in December, Bitcoin has surged by almost 50%, hitting a local high of $9,550 on Thursday. According to Mike Novogratz, a Wall Street name who used to be a partner at Goldman Sachs and now heads the crypto fund Galaxy Digital, there is a confluence of reasons why Bitcoin will continue higher in the months to come. He conveyed 3 reasons or catalysts in a recent interview with Bloomberg, though he was hesitant to give BTC price prediction on air. So here's the 3 things that can literally send the Bitcoin price soaring in 2020. Number 1, the debasement of fiat money. Novogratz mentioned that the copious amount of liquidity in capital markets, encouraged by low interest rates the world over, the seeming debasement of fiat money should help Bitcoin, gold, 2. The idea here is that the potential inflation caused by lax central banks should prove the value of scarce assets like Bitcoin, whose inflation rate will be cut in half in a few months' time. We're talking about the Bitcoin halving happening in May of 2020. Number 2, becoming a digital gold. Novogratz suggested Bitcoin's maturing into a form of digital gold. A digital store of value investment could support prices moving forward. He specifically cited the asset's performance amidst a brief Iran-US war, fears, and ongoing coronavirus outbreak. The Galaxy Digital CEO is suggesting that Bitcoin's showing it has investment potential, which could help draw in investors with time. And number 3, increasing levels of infrastructure. The investor said that the increasing level of infrastructure in the crypto industry, which he dubbed the plumbing of the industry, could help boost Bitcoin. Indeed, there has been a long need for more robust crypto on-ramps. With the introduction of Fidelity Investments, Backed, and other service providers, Bitcoin could see more investment inflows correlating with higher prices. And to check out this exclusive interview between Bloomberg and Mike Novogratz sharing why he's bullish on Bitcoin so you can hear it directly from the horse's mouth, I'll include this link in the show notes below the video in the description. Now let's discuss the technical factors supportive of Bitcoin 2. It isn't only the aforementioned fundamentals that may support Bitcoin bulls in the near future. And interestingly, right now, the majority of the accurate commentators are bullish, citing technical factors that back the sentiment that an uptrend is rapidly forming. Fundstrat Global Advisors, a market research firm that has fallen down the crypto rabbit hole, noted in a recent note that the leading crypto has crossed above the 200-day moving average of its price. This, they claim, is an extremely bullish sign, indicating Bitcoin has entered back into a bull phase. And we're going to be discussing here in a little bit 10 factors which confirm the crypto bull market has officially begun, right? But let's check out this tweet from crypto analyst Tom Lee, who wrote, Bitcoin moved back to its 200-day moving average on January 27th, a positive milestone and reinforcing the 2020 shaping up to be a great year for Bitcoin. Whenever Bitcoin is greater than the 200-day, win rate jumps to 80% and essentially re-entering the bull market. And as you can see, he shared this graph, which I'll include in the show notes below the video in the description. And going back here, you can see from last year's low, we started at 3,680. We climbed 182 2% when we had some bullish news on Bitcoin, and we hit almost 14,000 before dropping back below the 200-day moving average and then sloping forward. And as you can see here in number 4, where there's fire, which says boom. This, my friend, is where he predicts we will start to rise once again now that we're above the 200-day moving average. You'll notice when we break that 200-day, we typically go parabolic. So are we in a bull market, or what in the world is going on? Well, here's 10 factors confirming a new crypto bull market has officially began. This belief may be keeping crypto investors from realizing what's going on right now under their noses. Confirmation that a new bull market has begun. Here are a total of 10 exceptionally bullish factors that indicate a new crypto bull run has begun. 2 full years of a bear market has left crypto investors scorned and beaten down, which has mentally conditioned the market to expect more downside, regardless of where their long-term beliefs towards Bitcoin and altcoins may lie. When markets experience a full cycle, bull markets turn from irrational exuberance and hope to bear markets where fear and anger dominate. And things turn bullish once again. Investors are often left in disbelief, assuming that any upside is merely a sucker's rally waiting to get swatted back down by the bears. It occasionally causes them to miss out on the bull market forming right under their noses and missing out on the greatest possible financial opportunity that may be happening here in recent weeks. According to 10 factors that are now confirmed the existence of a new bull market on the monthly timeframes across the crypto market. So, are the bulls back in charge? I believe so. Let's take a look. When looking at the total crypto market as calculated by TradingView, there are 10 clearly bullish factors confirming this new bull market. And checking out this graph, it breaks down the 10 reasons, which we're about to cover in depth. I'll also include this in the show notes below the video in the description so you can save it and check it out. The crypto market cap is setting a higher high on the monthly time frames. A higher high is a confirmation of an uptrend when combined with a higher low. A higher low is all that's needed next to confirm the uptrend. The monthly closing at current levels confirms a morning star candlestick pattern. This pattern is commonly a reversal pattern in Japanese candlesticks. Certain analysts believe that geometry and time were major factors influencing the price, and developers' tools and help analysts make predictions where support and resistance may lie. The entire downtrend was locked below the red, highest angle from the Gann fan zone. However, the price has now pushed above this line. The breakout of Gann fan resistance was also accompanied by the break of the downtrend line, formed from the top point where the market was rejected at $390 billion. Next, the parabolic SAR, an indicator created by technical analysis pioneer Well S. Wilder, was never breached to the downside during the downtrend, suggesting that the uptrend from the low of 3,000 was never invalidated. Next, the market also reclaimed the mid-Bollinger Band line, a bullish signal. The crypto market broke above it in June 2019, but failed to hold initially, falling below it in November of 2019, but the bottom put in around December 2019 has caused the market to rebound back above the mid-Bollinger Band. Holding above the line is extremely bullish and should result in a retest of the upper Bollinger Band. Next, other indicators are also pointing to a bull market. The Relative Strength Index, a trend measuring tool, has started to point upwards again. Next, the MACD on the monthly timeframes is also beginning to turn up. When the blue line crosses above the orange, the strength of the uptrend will increase significantly. Even the MACD histogram passing above the zero line supports the theory that the crypto market has bottomed and is officially about to start the next bull market. And finally, the stochastic is also beginning to turn upward, indicating the trend is picking up in strength. Like the MACD, when the blue line crosses above the orange line, bullish momentum will increase and carry the crypto market to new all-time highs. And taking a look at the overall cryptocurrency market, we saw Bitcoin climb above 9,500 just recently, and it just got dropped back down by the bears and currently trading at $9,260, down 1%. It's very important for BTC to remain and close above $9,150 to remain bullish. So we'll see what happens from here. Bitcoin Cash down almost 5%, trading at $368. Satoshi Vision down 10%, trading at $266. Ethereum is in the green, up 0.7%, trading at $177. XRP in the red, down 1%, trading at 23.5 cents. Miss Litecoin still pumping, up 5%, trading at $66.67. So as you can see, the bears are starting to take control back after we've had a very bullish past week and a half, especially the last couple of days. We've seen Bitcoin climb and climb and climb. So this can be a healthy consolidation, bringing the Bitcoin price back to a strong support as we continue to climb to new all-time highs and make our way up this year. The current crypto market cap is sitting at $257 billion with $124 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and the current Bitcoin dominance is 66% even, so it's taken a step back. And taking a look at the top gainers here in the market, we can see Blockstamp leading the charge, up 25%, trading at $1.60. Monacoin up almost 25%, trading at $1.67. Icon up 20%, trading at 26 cents. V Systems up 17%, trading at 4 cents. Zcoin up 10%, trading at $8.33. And Beam up 9%, trading at 73 cents. And taking a look at the top losers, DX Chain token down 10%, trading at 0.001. Kick token down 9%, trading at 0.0001. Swipe down 9%, trading at $1.87. Quant down 8.9%, trading at $4.25. A BBC coin down 6%, trading at 10.5 cents. And Centrality down 5%, trading at 6.3 cents. And taking a look at the top gainers once again as we scroll down here in the market, you can see there is still plenty of projects still pumping and gaining. But however, the bears are definitely kicking back in and pushing the prices back down here in the crypto market. Let's take a look at the BitMEX margins. As you can see, the bears are back in control, leading with about 73 million in superiority, with shorts leading 50.8% versus 49.1% longs. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin right now? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below. And checking out the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, we're currently rated a 55, which is greed. Yesterday we were a 57 in greed, last week a 41 in fear, and last month a 38 in fear. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity. We saw this last month, and guess what happened? It was a great buying opportunity. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. And guess what? That's where we're currently at in the market. It shows greed. And what's happening? Taking a look, we're correcting, so spot on. And I want to encourage you to check out the community section here of my YouTube channel. I have some interactive polls. I just shared one yesterday asking your most bullish crypto for 2020. And check this out. Domination, yo. 60% of you said Bitcoins. That shows the bulls are definitely out. 13% of you put Ethereum, 13% Chainlink, and 13% XRP. Holy moly, all three got the same responses. Who's gonna win? Let me know by casting your vote just by clicking on the community section. You can interact with my polls whenever I share them. Also, drop me a comment below. Let me know what crypto you're most bullish for on 2020, because it may not be here. Let's check out some of the comments. Did I miss anything? Icon, not familiar with it. ICX, duh, not familiar with that one either. Here, Bitcoin Cash, interesting. Neo, Jet Efus, but honestly, who still invests into effing altcoins? Whoa. Apollo Currency, and someone put poor XRP. And then my other poll, I put, who do you think Satoshi Nakamoto really is? And most of you put, who the hell knows? And prior to that, I asked, in which year will Bitcoin hit 6 figures? And 41% of you put in 2021. And I'll share with you one more here. February 1st, 2020, what will the Bitcoin price be? Because guess what? Tomorrow is February 1st, 2020. And looks like y'all are right. Between 9 and 10,000, 35% of you shared. So spot on. Good job, yo. Also want to encourage you to check out the description below this video and all my videos. I have detailed analysis followed by some great resources for you to tap into. You can check out my blog/podcast over at cryptonewsyes.com, and you can download all of my episodes. They're made available for you. We're over on iTunes. You can actually download the show. You could subscribe and check it out. All the major podcasting platforms, Spotify, Google Play, Stitcher Radio, you name it, we're on it. So I encourage you to plug in and join us on the show. Also, I have a Twitter account where I share the news every day. Be sure to follow us on Twitter. I also have a private crypto Facebook group. We're going to open it up so you can check it out here. I know there's over 17,000 members that belong to this private group, 17,465 to be exact. All you need to do is request to join and I'll plug you in. This is all about crypto. It's called Crypto Alchemy. And I do have a private crypto Telegram group where we can interact and connect with fellow cryptopreneurs. So if that sounds good to you, be sure to join us and I look forward to plugging you in. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this Bitcoin crypto rocket ship heading straight to the moon where no man has ever gone before. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button and click that bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. So where do we go from here? Well, considering we're currently at about $9,250, I do personally feel we will continue to climb. With the Bitcoin having just 3 months out, I believe we are going to surge in the second quarter, just as we've been surging here in the first quarter of 2020. And we haven't seen gains like this in 6 years for the first quarter of 2020. There's so many bullish signs. In today's show, I shared with you 10 bullish factors. I shared with you 3 catalysts from a Bitcoin billionaire who is extremely bullish on Bitcoin right now. I don't know what else to tell you. If you're bullish on Bitcoin as well, and you believe this crypto is heading to the moon, drop me a comment right down below and let me know. Feel me? Let's do this. And real quick before I go, if interested in tapping into OPM, other people's money, to grow your wealth and crypto portfolio, smash the link right below the video in the description. And I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.